Hey guys, this is TC, and I know this isn't my normal thing, but I looked up how to loosen a serpentine belt on a 2004 Freestar van. I don't know what y'all do, but I looked up 5 different videos. They all said that you need help, you need to jack your car up, don't try to do this alone, or hire a professional. The tension pulley is way on the bottom side of that motor right there. Well, before you can change that alternator belt and get the serpentine belt off, you have to loosen your tension pulley, according to everybody that I looked at. They all said, like I said, that it was a really hard process. No, it's not. All you have to do is when you take your alternator out and install it back, when you take it out, take all your bolts out except for that bolt right there in the corner. Then you just want to loosen that bolt up just a little bit and then turn the alternator where the alternator is going that way, right there. That loosens the tension on your pulley. You get it right back off, and whenever you put the new alternator back on, you just reverse the process. Put that bolt in first, leave it loose, push it over, tighten while you're holding it, push it over, tighten your corner bolt. That should line your bottom hole up. If your bottom hole doesn't line up, like it did on mine, just stick a punch in it, hold it until it's firm, and then tighten those 2 bolts until you can't tighten them anymore, and bam! Bam! Now don't look at that duct tape right there, because I broke a thing off with my wrench whenever I pulled on it too hard. But I'm not a professional, this is not my thing. This is how a guy replaces a serpentine belt back on a Ford Freestar 2004 without a jack, without a tool, and without any knowledge of how to do it whatsoever. You just use your common sense. Like, subscribe. You're welcome. You don't have to watch any more videos on this.